It was an oh-hum day on Wall Street. This is Mark the Meerkat suffering in with the broad market review for June the 19th, 2014. Help in for Des again. Yeah, he'll be back, and next week he's out camping with his family. So let's take a look at what happened on Wall Street today. Let's look at the numbers here. S&P up a whopping 0.13%, and the Dow up to 0.09%. And all-time high on the S&P. It's by a fraction. However, the NASDAQ did drop just a little bit from yesterday's multi-year high. And then we did have the Russell also up. Now, the interesting thing is that 3 out of the 4 indexes, it's the 5th day in a row on the upside. However, Bank did not follow through today, and it actually pulled back. That's a little more bearish. And the VIX did go up just a fraction here. And so, but if it was an exciting day, if you happen to be in commodities, gold and silver, look at that. Kaboom! Gold up 3% and silver up 4.5%. And oil up just up a little bit, and the dollar was down. All right, let's take a look at the charts here. There's the S&P daily, and sure enough, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th day in a row, all-time high close. So we're continuing through on the bull pullback, and we're here to all-time highs. Next possible resistance I see up here at this major resistance line, right up in here. It looks like it's slowing just a little bit. Then we do have the Dow. And the Dow is it's completing it too. It's getting up, knocking on the door of its all-time highs here. Then we have the NASDAQ, and it is up. It was up the multiple years high. Did pull back just slightly bit today, closed a little bit down. And the small cap Russells, look at that. Kaboom! There it went. And let's take a look at that gold chart. And look at gold. Look at this. Boom! And the silver, well, boom! I mean, that's huge updated, eh? Why? Well, some say it might have been the interpretation of what Yellen had to say yesterday with the Fed announcement, that she said it's going to be a little unclear in the stock market, meaning such low volatility. But they interpreted that as, time to load up on commodities. Wow, big, huge moves. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Just remember that you always use a stop, and it is much better to be looking at a trade and wishing you were in than being in a trade wishing you were out. Trade well.